Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve 10 HESI math problems step by step. These questions will help you understand key concepts and improve your problem solving skills for the exam. Try to solve along with me and focus on the methods used. This lesson is brought to you by HESI Tutoring. Let's get started. If you want more practice and support, download the HESI Test Prep app from App Store or Google Play. It has prediction tests, plenty of extra problems, and you can request a one-on-one tutor anytime. See you in the next video. This HESI A2 mathematics question is all about lining up decimals correctly before subtracting. So the question asks here 92.456 minus 37.128 equals what? So if you write it like this, so we cannot subtract 8 from 6, so we borrow 1 from 5. That gives us 16. So 8 subtracted from 16 is 8. Now the 5 becomes 4, so 2 subtracted from 4 is 2. And 1 subtracted from 4 is 3. And we put the decimal point here. Now again, we cannot subtract 7 from 2, so we borrow 1 from 9. So that's 12. And 7 subtracted from 12 is 5. And then 9 becomes 8. And 3 subtracted from 8 is also 5. So that's 55.328. And with that, the correct answer is option A. This HESI A2 mathematics question checks if you know how to switch from military time to standard time. The question asks here, convert 15, 30 to 12-hour time. Since 15 is greater than 12, we subtract 12 from the hour. So 15 minus 12 equals 3. So 1530 becomes 330. And with that, the correct answer is option B. This is one of the easiest questions you might see on your HESI A2 mathematics exam. The question asks here 4 over 5 of 500 equals what? So of in mathematics is basically the multiplication sign. So that's 4 over 5 times 500. 5 and 5 cancel each other out. So that's 400. And with that, the correct answer is option C. The question asks here, if 12 workers can operate 36 computers, how many computers can 5 workers operate? So let's find how many computers can be operated by a single worker. So for that, we divide 36 with 12. We know 12 threes are 36. So that means one worker can operate 3 computers. So 5 workers can operate 5 times 3 equals 15 computers. So the correct answer is option C. This is another very important and very easy math question for Health Education Systems Incorporated Admission Assessment or HESI A2 test for the students applying to nursing and allied health programs. The question asks here, a bag of rice weighs 2 3/4 kilograms. What is the total weight of 8 bags? So first, let us convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. So we multiply the whole number by the denominator. That gives us 2 times 4, and we add the numerator plus 3. So 2 times 4 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, and that becomes the new numerator and the denominator stays the same. So that's 11 over 4. So 1 bag of rice weighs 11 over 4 kilograms. We have to find the total weight of 8 bags. So we multiply 11 over 4 with 8. So 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. So that cancels out. So 11 times 2 is 22. So the correct answer is option C. This type of fraction question is where many students make mistakes. So we need to solve 1 and 1/4 plus 2 and 1/3 times 1/3. So first we can remember the order of operations by using PEMDAS, which is parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So first we have to convert the two mixed fractions into improper fractions. So 4 times 1 is 4 and 4 plus 1 is 5. So that's 5/4 plus 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So that's 7/3 times 1/3. So as we use PEMDAS, so we have to do multiplication first. So 5/4 stays the same, and 7 times 1 is 7, and 3 times 3 is 9. So the LCM of 4 and 9 is 36, and 36 divided by 4 is 9, and 9 times 5 is 45, plus 36 divided by 9 is 4, and 4 times 7 is 28. So 8 plus 5 gives us 13. So we put the 3 down and have 1 as carry. And 2 plus 4 gives us 6. And 6 plus 1 gives us 7. So that's 73/36. And with that, the correct answer is option B. So the question asks here, what is 3/4 of 80? So we need to find 3/4 of 80. In math, the word of means multiply. So we multiply 3/4 times 80. So first we divide 80 by 4. So 80 divided by 4 equals 20. 4 2s are 8, 4 zeros are 0. Now multiply 20 times 3. So 3 2s are 6 and 3 zeros are 0. So that gives us 60. And with that, the correct answer is option C. So the question asks here, which one of the following is not a prime number? So a prime number is a number which only has two factors, which is itself and 1. So here, 29 is a prime number as it cannot be divided by anything but itself and 1. 37 is also a prime number, but here 39, let us try to divide it by 3. So 3 times 1 is 3 and 3 times 3 is 9. So as for it can be divided by 3, it is not a prime number. And with that, the correct answer is option C. In this HESI A2 mathematics problem, we will learn how to round a number to the nearest whole number. So the question asks, round 8,921.764 to the nearest whole number. So we need to look at the tens digit, which is 7. Now, since 7 is greater than 5, we can round the whole number up. So 8,921 becomes 8,922. And with that, the correct answer is option B. In this HESI A2 mathematics problem, we will learn how to simplify a factorial expression. So the question asks here, the numerical value of 7 factorial over 5 factorial is what? So we can write 7 factorial like this, which is 7 times 6 times 5 factorial over 5 factorial Now 5 factorial and 5 factorial cancel each other out. We're simply left with 7 times 6. And we know that 7 times 6 is 42. And with that, the correct answer is option B.